How to add arrow in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Make sure your timeline is ready where you want to place the arrow. Next, add the arrow image or media into the media pool by right-clicking and selecting Import Media. Now, go to the effects panel on the top left and search for Fusion Composition. Once you find it, drag the Fusion Composition onto your timeline, placing it above your main video clip. Select the Fusion Composition and click on the Fusion tab at the bottom to open the Fusion page. Here, you will see the default media out node. First of all, add a background node and connect it to the media out node. Then, bring the arrow image into the node area by dragging it from the media pool into the Fusion workspace. Now, connect the arrow image to the background node. Once done, go back to the edit page and you will see the arrow now appears inside the Fusion Composition clip. Adjust the arrow size and position by using the inspector controls. Now, you can place the arrow exactly where you want it on your video frame. And that's it. Now you know how to add an arrow in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.